Grief is the price we pay for love. But in the church, we often rush to fix grief with platitudes like, they're in a better place. While true, this can invalidate the very real human pain of loss. Grief is a profound psychological and spiritual process that must be honored. Today, we're looking at the Christian's Guide to Grief, how to mourn with honesty, and how to find hope without bypassing the pain. Jesus wept, John 11:35. The shortest verse in the Bible is the greatest permission slip for grief. Jesus didn't just weep over Lazarus. He wept over the pain of loss itself. The entire book of Lamentations is a book of raw, unedited grief. Grief is not a lack of faith. It is a natural, healthy response to loss. We often talk about the 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, acceptance. But they are not a checklist. They are fluid, and you can cycle through them multiple times. You must actively process the loss. This involves telling the story of the loss, allowing yourself to feel the pain, and finding ways to maintain a spiritual connection to the person who is gone, like remembering their legacy. Unprocessed grief can manifest as physical illness, anxiety, or depression. Christian hope is not a denial of the present pain. It is the anchor that holds you steady in the storm. We do not grieve as others do who have no hope. 1 Thessalonians 4:13. We grieve with hope, knowing the resurrection is coming. You can hold 2 truths at once: profound pain and profound hope. If you are grieving, please be gentle with yourself. I've linked a resource for finding grief support groups in the description. Subscribe to the Renewed Mind Project for more compassionate guidance on life's hardest seasons.